Okay, we're back. June, he had to show Uncle. Is August next? Oh, he's going to run to show Uncle Boo. August. That's not next. You're silly. Okay, come back. What's next after June? Which one? Show Nani. July. Okay, he's watching. Put it down. Oh, can you come over this way? Otherwise, we're going to. Each one is going to run over to you. July. Okay, come put it where it goes. Okay, put it where it goes. Okay, what is next after July? Which one's next? He sees it. November? Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, you're silly. What one's next? Oh, my goodness. Let me see. Oh, you're going to show Uncle Boo. Show him which one. August. Yay! Yeah, we'll put it where it goes. Good. What's next? August. October. No. You're silly. What's next? There. September. Good job.
September.
Okay, go put it back where it goes. Good. What comes next? September. December. Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, you're silly. Which one's next? Oh, good job. Show Uncle Boo.
October.
Oh, good job. Good job. Okay, what's next? December. Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're silly. No. Which one's next? There you go. Show Uncle Boo. Notice he doesn't show you the wrong ones. Only the right ones. November. Woo, woo. Oh, yeah. Okay, which one's next? Nope. Silliness on this one. There's only one left. December. Oh, gotta show Uncle Boo.
December.
Yay.
Yeah.
Good job. You did them all. High five. Good job. Let me see all of them. Yep, they're all done. You did them all. Good.